Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through how we can change Yahoo homepage back to classic view like this one. So let's get straight into it. So first off, you will need to find your settings. So you can find them if you have here on the left side these three dots. Click on that, and after that you will have your settings ready. Then click to more, and you will see then right in the left side uh, the you will see here on the left side switch to basic mail. Click on that, and we will be redirected back to our classic Yahoo Mail. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.